we got a litter of 6-week-old puppies here. We've been introducing them to some loud noises, and in order to get them introduced to gunfire. We'll start that out with food bowls. We want them to associate the loud noise with something good. To start with, it's going to be food. We'll eventually transfer it to a retrieve. So we got these babies in here eating while their heads are in the food bowl. We'll just start out. Now, Brian's already done a little bit of this. See, we're making some noise. They're not even picking their head up. He's done a good job with introducing the banging of the pans. Not a single puppy's head has come up out of there. So now we're gonna, next step will be introduce real gunfire. All right, we got our litter of 6-week-old puppies here that we've already introduced to some loud noise with food pans, banging them around, raking them up and down the kennel. Now we're gonna introduce them to gunfire. I have a .22 revolver with blanks in it. I'm gonna move away from them about 8 or 10 yards, hold it behind my back, and I'm gonna keep an eye on the puppies as I shoot. Normally when I shoot, their heads will come up out of the food bowl and look around. I'll wait on them to put their heads back in, and then I'll shoot again, and then I'll gradually move in over the top of their head. Within 2 or 3 days, I should be able to stand right over the top of them and shoot. So I'm gonna back up a few yards here. I'm gonna keep an eye on my puppies while I'm shooting. All right, here we go. Let's see how they react. No reaction whatsoever, so I'm gonna move a little bit closer. Well, it got one to pick their head up, but there's still not much to it. So see how introducing the food bowls and stuff made a good, still nothing. I'm gonna move a little bit closer. I'm pretty impressed with this because this is the first time they've actually had gunfire. No problems whatsoever. Mr. Brian's done a great job with them with the food pans. No issues whatsoever. You can't ask for any better than that. So all we've done is teach these puppies that the loud noise is something good. In this case, it is the food. In another month or two, once we get them retrieving out to 30, 40 yards, then we'll introduce the gunfire in a field at the distance, and then we'll gradually move it in over their head. So this was perfect.